Good morning, my beautiful people. We're actually coming to you live from Antalya, Turkey. So, people, today we have a brand new day full of adventure for you guys. You know what I mean? Just stay tuned and watch the video and just press a like on the channel. Share the video, tell a friend. So, today is a day we're going to loads of adventure, like I said before. You know what I mean? We have two things planned for you guys. We're going to the waterfall. And we're going to actually go explore the Colosseum. So today, I'm standing on this bridge. I show over the motorway. You know what I mean? I can see the mountain behind me in the backdrop. So guys, stay tuned guys. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? One love. And we'll soon back when we get to the waterfall. So stay tuned. One love. Yeah guys, like I said, it's a brand new day in Turkey, you know what I mean? We're gonna get the bus from this somewhere here. But guys, I'm so hungry. I feel with some beans and toast, some egg, you know what I mean? You get me? So, but you know in their road, I just work with whatever you can actually get the full stomach that you can survive the whole day, you know what I mean? So, but look at all these things right here. I don't know if we're going to try something in this shop, but you know it's hard to try something where you actually don't know. So let me see if I can grab something in here and get my day started. So this looks delicious right here. It's a sandwich right here. So I'm going to grab something in here and get my day started. So let's see what's here. I don't know which one of these to test. They all look delicious. So I guess we have to try something in here. I don't know which one to try. This spinach, this cheese, and some more stuff. But definitely I'm gonna get something in here. I'm have to get something in my stomach. They all look so delicious. Yeah, man. So let me try. Which one do you recommend? Which one do you recommend for me to try?
Try.
Which one do you recommend? Which one?
Which one?
This one? Yeah. Okay, alright. I'm going to actually choose. Yeah. Oh, so you choose the bread and then put whatever in the bread?
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Or this one.
I want to try this one. Yeah, one of these.
Cheese?
Cheese, yeah. Cheese, yeah. What's inside it? Cheese, tomato. So,
check.
do I can record? I can? Yeah. So, it's fresh from the oven. Okay. Look at it. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. All these delicious cakes. Turkey's Smith. Yeah. Yeah. Turkey Smith. Made fresh this morning. Fresh. Yeah, fresh. So I think I'm gonna try this one.
They all have eggs in them, so I can't eat it.
Eggs in, okay. Yeah, this one, we want this one. Yeah?
So, this one. You make a off. No eggs? Eggs. No.
On this one. Yeah? So guys, I'll get myself some breakfast now, to get my day started. So I'll end up get this one instead.
Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah. And I want to try this one as well. Eh? One of these one as well. And this one, yeah. Yes. So I end up with 2 at the moment. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all these cakes. So people, I'll get myself a drink, you know what I mean? So, you know when they're on road and you can't understand no language, you need a translator, you get me I say? So, I think I'm going to try look a little bit of first tea. I love watermelon. Let me try the iced tea, watermelon. So I'm gonna find a location where we can actually eat outside. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have it right here. My breakfast be right here. So I get 2 of these, 1 for the road and 1 for now. So for people, I managed to grab something. I'm so grateful at the moment because I'm hungry. Trust me. So this one have like a bit of things. I don't want to think I'm inside this one. Cheese. Let me open it and show what guys it's all about. This was inside it, and this have a bit of spinach and something else inside it. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna dig in. It's a good start. At least I know if I get a breakfast from in the morning. Although I know beans and toast with omelette, it's still a work, trust me. So guys, I eat my breakfast now and get my stomach line and I'm ready to show you guys some good content. So don't go away, stay tuned. Yeah man, with my watermelon iced tea. Yeah man, bless up. So basically, what's the bill? 223. So my bill comes to 200. Yeah, 220 and hold on, I'll give a fiver change. A fiver, 20 fiver. Yeah, so.
No.
Okay. Yeah. So people, it's a change. I get back, a meal come to 235 Turkish money. So about, roughly about 3 pounds. It's a good vibe for breakfast. You know, lie, so we're off now on the road. But continue the journey. So people stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Yeah, man. That's it. People going to work in the early morning. Now this is what they actually take a part of them transport. So yeah man, watch out my people, watch out, go on. Definitely. We need some of them in Jamaica. Jamaica, we need some of them. And Jolis, come out, spend some money, go in your account and buy 2 tramp and put at Jamaica. We can ride around freely. Come here, you can do it. So you actually, how this actually work, you actually tap your card right there where you see a man there, tap him card. We now tap a card, we now go through this now. We'll actually show you where I go on. So this is the entrance of, you're going on the tramp, you tap a card right here. You tap a card right here, so you tap a card, go through this thing, so it's stuck at the moment, can't open it until you tap a card. So it's a part of the way of getting around in the country. So one more champ right there. So people getting off. And you own this. Spend some money and get 12 man in Jamaica. We need them. I'm telling you guys, second time I tell you. So, no photo? Okay.
People, at this point my microphone died and the bus going to the waterfall. Know what I mean? So this is the bus I take to the waterfall. I pay about 200 lira, 150 lira to get to the waterfall. We're going to Duden waterfall. So this bus, I just scan your card and you're gonna take the exactly where you're going. Cause in Turkey, the transport system is so good. You can't get rent a bus or anything. You need to go from point A to point B. So watch more, tap my card at the moment. So guys, stay tuned guys. Put your like on the video, share the video, tell a friend, and make one more go on. Bless up.
So people, as you can see, reach this lovely waterfall right here. We'll show it to you guys in a minute. Now, I mean, this is the Duden waterfall. I don't know if I pronounce it properly. Here is the correct pronunciation for it, but we just reach guys. Now, I mean, it's full of nature, something actually like, as you can hear the bird them chirping, whistling. You know what I mean? That's it. We get here and our vibes, and I will make you know what the place is all about. So up here, 50 Turkish lira to get in, about £1. 50p, not even know, but it's reasonable. But people, like I said, I'll be diagnosed with ADHD. You know what I mean? So more of a true. You get me? I say. But look at this, what's going on at the moment. Look what's going over there. Actually is a beautiful settings, you know what I mean? Right there. So we're gonna go over there and show you, but we want to show from a distance as well. Like we're showing you close up. You get me, I say? So look at it. Look what's going on. A pity we couldn't go down somewhere. Down so. But we don't want to get arrested and so we will violate the Turkish law. And next time we can't go back to the UK. So we'll work with the program. We're not be adventurous like a Jamaica with it. You know what I mean? So stay tuned guys. You know what I mean? I know it's been a slow start, but we're getting there. Don't worry about it. You can see the old historic building. I love history, you know. Anything to do with history. Because I love know what gone before me.
Yeah.
Before. Start of the look of the waterfall right here. Rushing down, pouring down. Yeah, man. So people gonna walk down right here. Squeeze across the border, go through the cribs and the corner. You know what I mean? I know my tall, must watch my head. Yep. Yeah man guys, so watch you are going right here first. I'll show you guys what's going on down here. You can see the cave, you can see all the this cave. I'm passionate about cave. Now like when I'm younger I used to ever want to explore the mountain in Jamaica, which I didn't get a chance to, so I was quite young. And so when summer holiday after school, I used to get a rope, get a piece of steel, go over, if you know, Kingston 11, and the hill is near where I used to live, so I used to go up and someone show the steel like a mountain climber and climb the hill. That's when I was younger in Jamaica, every summer holiday. So we're the older now, we want to experience it as well. So this has become like a dream come true for me as a person. So what do I do? Watch the landscape. Really? Okay, yeah, meal. Maybe the water over there. There's a restaurant there as well. You want to have a meal over there? We're going back that side and showing the full effect of the waterfall, the falling of the rock is already on this. And the party there, a different party, you know what I mean? So what's just going on at the moment? Yeah, so we're gonna go over there and see the beginning of the waterfall. Not the beginning, but the outline of the waterfall. So stay tuned. Yeah. So you can see all the way up and around and down across. So we actually in our hole as old as the place actually designed. If you can see, look above me, you can see like we actually in down in our hole. One of that sound correct, down in our hole, but here we go. We down. So, you get me? So people don't stay tuned. Watch you go on. Like you can see all, you know what I mean? The sun will actually glow coming through the trees. So if this place ever really actually be cold, it actually be really cold. So yeah. Guys, so welcome to Canberra. So this is what we're going to look at the moment right here. So yeah man. So this is it people. So I'm hearing like a rat bat at the moment. I not lie, exactly. I know I hear them now. Rat bat, you see me? I know I hear them. See it? I know I hear them, but I don't know if you can see them from where. So people, you can hear the rat bat making loads of noise, but you can't see them. They're up in there, innit? Yep. If you can listen people. If you can listen properly, you can hear they're making so much noise. You can see them eye. You can if you look up in the camera, you can see the blinking right there. That's the eye right there, isn't it? Like a light, like a peanut water. If you know peanut water back in Jamaica. But you can actually smell. You can actually smell them smell as well because them shit is very contagious. You can look on the piping right here. You can see them shit on the piping as well. But we don't want one fly out. I'm showing you guys, but none fly out. So I guess I'll leave them alone. Trust me. But I never actually see a real live rat bat before, so I actually really want to see one. But I'm standing there so long. But that's their den, that's their lair right there. So, you know what I mean? Let's go to waterfall like we come for checkpoint. Bit of lemon people. So, stay tuned and watch where I go on. Coming to Turkey, check out this thing. Duden waterfall. You can get a picture take with the parrot as well. See it? Yep. Okay. Let's look at McCoy. You know, I love birds. Birds are my thing, so I have to get my preview. They can talk? Sometimes. Okay. Quite big, beautiful macaw. Look how big their beak is. And beautiful bird, you know what I mean? People, let's go and check out the waterfall. Here we go. Ta-da! This is it. Let's get closer. Let me show you guys. Yeah man people, this is a beautiful waterfall right here. Look at it. Everyone taking their pictures. Yeah, man. So maybe soaking for a bit. Yeah, man. That's my people. That's it. My people. That's the Duden waterfall right there. I guess you can actually go up there through there in that little tunnel through the cave. Right. People, I have to do a selfie with my camera. I have to do a selfie with my camera. You know what I mean? I have these shots all the while in my portfolio, in my journey of traveling. So I have to do one of them. You get me, I say? I'm not black my view, black on the view, but watch I go on. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Let's go. Let's go. What's going on right here? So people, we're coming through this dark cave. Now, I wonder what's going on. Used to be going on inside here. If I bend down very, very low, you know what I mean? Like I said, we're coming actually. I can't really stand my full length. If you can sneak right there, you can still see the waterfall right there. Yep, but it'll work. Yeah, you know. Yep, that's true. Alright. This is so amazing. It's so my style. Because I love cave from a young. You know what I mean? So let's go and peek again right here. As you can see, the waterfall behind me pouring down. Looks so amazing. I love the way they actually construct this whole layout of this cave. They make use of the cave. Really. Jamaica, we need to do some more of this in Jamaica, your country. Trust me. Survive. Let's carry on. I can't stand I can't stand my whole height length because this is quite low as well. So we have one more part right here. You can actually look against the waterfall again. Right here. You get me, so can look where I'm going, people. Active, you know what I mean? Waterfall again right there. Yeah, man. Trust me. So you're still going to the cave. You know what I mean? It's quite an experience. And you can look again, you can see right there again, the waterfall right there again. So we're reaching this section right here. This section is just a whole space, like a one bedroom apartment in this part. You know what I mean? You can see all the rocks and it's quite interesting, my people. And open the guys, press a like on the video. Remember, like the video. Don't just watch the video and like the video. All I'm asking for, guys, just like the video. Please share the video as well. Tell a friend. Yeah, man. This is it. In tune with nature to the fullest. So you have one more section where it can bring us closer to the waterfall right here. Let's go this side for a little bit and just see what's going on this side. So now we actually see the whole, everything from this angle. Because you have three different sections. A small, a big one, and the biggest one. We can see the whole, everything from this side. You know what I mean? So let's go around here. Let's venture some more. Come along, people. Come along. Catch up, guys. Catch up. Yep. Alright, we come to this layer now, this old hideout, this old escape from civilization. You know what I mean? So, and my advice, cause this is something I actually like to do from when I'm young. So I'm very privileged and excited to do it now while I'm old. Exactly. So we're coming through again. Look at that now. That beauty of nature, nothing beat that. Nothing woman looks so beautiful. A turkey when you get her body done. Surgery. So guess what? You don't come to turkey alone to get the surgery. I your teeth done, your nose done, your ass done. Turkey is beautiful country. You get me? So look at it. Chipping down from the you can't see the The water coming through the rocks. You can see it. Look at it, people. Look at my people. Look at it. I don't know if it's bright enough with the light. But let's go along. Come along. Oops. 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 Yep. And this is it. We reach the final destination in the cave. We're under the waterfall at the moment. Under it. Yep. Yeah, my people, so the vibes, really amazing vibes come to this waterfall. Really enjoy every experience, every moment. You get me, I say? So stay tuned, guys, and we'll soon back on the next side. So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. The people who actually come through there at the moment, where come through, it's so wet. So just word can describe. I can't say. Word can't describe what's going on at the moment. So let's go up on this little stage right here and go up back into civilization. You get me, I say? So yep. So we're back to civilization. You know what I mean? So let's go. We're going back on civilization at the moment, come from underneath the ground. You get me, I say? So watch where I go on, people. Stay tuned. Here we go. So like I said, we actually was in a little hole right here. Yep. Yeah. Back into civilization. Yeah, man. What a vibes. Trust me. What a vibes and quite an experience doing this. So, guys, remember, like the video. Tell a friend. Make everybody know where I go on. Stay tuned. That's where we're coming from at the moment. Yep. So now again. That's where we're coming from. So this is it. Since we are Turkey, we're showing some Turkey history. You know what I mean? So getting dictionary ready or you know, Google Translator and see what's going on right here. Because I don't know. Trust me. But all I can see like somebody actually making some stuff. What are they making that? Olive. Oh, olive presser. Okay, cool. I like olive as well. So that's something I'm interested in now. So that was the remaining. I will show you in a minute what's the remain of this machine right here. So this is the remains of the machine. See them there? This is to press the olive presser. So this is quite as a fascinating part of history. They make it in that big thing right over there. People, so much to see on this tour. Me have space on my SIM card can show you guys everything. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So people, we've finished tour this lovely location at the moment. It was amazing. We had a great time. Like something I actually enjoy doing because I actually like cave from when I was young in Jamaica. Know what I mean? So come here, experience it myself. Know what I mean? It's a guata vibes. As you can see behind me, you can see it just looks so beautiful, so amazing. Word can explain. So guys, one thing I'm asking you guys for do, like the video, share the video, tell a friend, subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe as yet. Subscribe to every phone in the household. I make everybody know where I go on. Because we're in Turkey. Come on. When you can't get here, remember we don't come for no surgery. We don't come for no nose. We don't come for no teeth. We come to show you the beautiful country of Turkey. So stay tuned and thanks for watching the video and upload the video and I'll see you back in the next amazing video. Trust me. Bless up. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Turn up, you look at the same. Remember, that's it. That's it. Yeah, man. That's it.